Hi, I just wanted to say hi to my guys in the Crypto Cashflow family. Shout out to Josh, to Marty, to Ty. Thanks for the 1,000 Gala coins. They came through. I knew they would come through. Um, if you're on the fence about doing this course um, and you're serious about investing in crypto or NFTs, I recommend you do it. Like these guys know what they're talking about. The way they teach, amazing. I'd highly recommend it. So, yeah, I'm loving my time so far here, learning every day. It's amazing. And Josh and Marty, Ty, amazing guys. Whenever you've got a question, they're always there to answer it. Yeah, so I look forward to continuing on this crypto journey. Like I said, if you have any doubts, just do it, honestly. Knowledge is key, knowledge is power, especially in this game. Seen too many people lose money in this game, and that's why you need to make sure that you're learning from the right people. Okay, yeah, that's it for now. Take care, guys, and I'll see you guys soon.